Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you to Kuala Sepetang, a fishing village in Perak, Malaysia. It's quite close to Taiping, only about 15 kilometers or 20 minutes drive. We drove from Penang and it only took us about an hour. Initially, we wanted to start our adventure by exploring the famous mangrove forest. It's the biggest mangrove forest in Malaysia and one of the oldest in the world. Unfortunately, we were told that it was closed for maintenance. So here we are at our next stop, the charcoal factory. This is one of the few places where you can see the process of making charcoal from mangrove. I've never been to or known anything about charcoal factories before, so this is all new and exciting for me. This factory is open to the public and you can make an appointment for a guided tour if you wish. Otherwise, you can look around on your own, but try not to get in the way of the factory workers.
They sell pieces of charcoal as a souvenir.
And then one more thing is charcoal is used for all kind of filter. To put in under the water filter. Like this one, odor eliminator, dehumidifier. How many things use charcoal?
Okay. Kind of mad,
Not marah, just telling you.
Hi.
Now it's time to check into our hotel. The Happy8 Retreat is one of the most interesting hotels I've been to in Malaysia. From the lobby to the rooms, almost every surface is covered by hand-painted murals. We still have some time to explore, so we're just gonna walk around and see the fishing village. After a day of exploring, we're ending with a sunset view over the river. And what better way to wrap up the day than with a seafood feast? Good morning! We're starting day 2 at the local market. It's bustling with activity and full of fresh produce and unique local goods. For breakfast, we're going to try these homemade noodles. You can see it being prepared right then and there. After that fulfilling breakfast, we're ready for some more exploring, but we're gonna do so from the river. And for that, we will take this boat tour. The tour takes us along the river to see the fishing village. Along the way, we stop the boat to feed the eagles. And then we're taken to this fish farm, where they cultivate various types of seafood, including horseshoe crabs and puffer fish.
video.
Lagi tayo.
Ano? Gimana tayo juangnya?
Lama.
Oh.
The tour guide is so eager to take our photos that we never even have to ask. After checking out and before driving back to Kuala Lumpur, we make a pit stop at Mi Udang Makja to try their famous Prawn Me. And that's how we spent 2 days in Kuala Sepetang. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next destination.